All right, here we go. So, my Saturday usually consists of me having a cigar and taking care of my shoes. Again, remember, um, I don't get boots to walk in dog shit and make them look ugly and all that stuff. That's what you like, cool. So, I just got these Beckett uh, boots in, these Gallagher's. I got them because they kind of look like a indie boot, and it's a looks like a mock toe, just something different. But they just came in, and what I usually do when shoes just come, I just get them. I put conditioner on them, even though they say, hey, these are made to order. Um, they just came off the whatever or wherever. That's fine. You know, that's what they say. They also told the Native Americans, hey man, it's gonna be fine. Take this turkey. And then we saw what happened with that. So I don't take everybody's words for everything. Um, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I. Sorry about that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I condition them. Um, I use Saphir Renovator, and all I do is I use my finger. So take a little small dab like that. That might even be a little too much, and I just work it in while I'm enjoying my cigar, some coffee. Usually I'll do like an Irish coffee or something like that. But today, I'm just doing a regular coffee. So I'll take it with my finger. Just a little small dab, like that. You don't need a lot. And just work it in all around. Of course, you do it with your laces out because you want to get this tongue as well. You want to take care of the tongue. A lot of I've seen people who don't, but your shoestrings are there, and they, well, I don't have to. Well, I do. Again, I like to look good with my shoes. I don't want them to look all grimy. Again, I'm not the guy who goes out here and gets a boot and then wants to, excuse me, go out here and run through puddles and walk upstream and say, hey, I wonder how dirty I can get my boots. I'm not that guy. Never have been. That's a little too much there, but the boots are like them. Oh, yeah, these are Beckett's, man. I bought these. They actually sent them to me sooner than they normally say they will. Uh, Usually it's 3 months, man. They sent me 2 weeks. But I paid for them out of my own pocket. They haven't given me anything, didn't really ask for anything. But this is nothing new for me. My father was a World War II vet. And 1 second. All right. My father was a World War II vet. And taught us to always take care of your feet, always take care of your shoes, and really anything you have. He was like, man, you should have your shoes always polished and clean. And so I guess I didn't grow up with that mindset of, let me just get them as dirty as I can and make them rugged and rough. Even though he was a country boy, grew up on a farm, but he had clothes for that. He had clothes for other things. So I usually take these, man, and I put them on by hand. I let them sit for a while, then I'll buff them off. That's these Beckett's. That's one. But I picked this up just from my dad. Now, when I was little, my dad would shine his shoes where he could shave in them. You could see everything. Man, I just could never achieve that kind of shine. He was like, boy, you'll get it. But in the meantime, go out there and clean your own shoes. Now, he never had me do his. I had to do mine. And then I would look at his and mine. His looked way better. Way better. So eventually, over time, I got better at it. I think it's when I started liking females, I got better at it. They wanted us to look good. I wanted to look good so I can get top female. So anytime I get a new shoe, I always put some of this renovator on. I look at it like condition. You know, I'm a black guy, so we condition our skin all the time. We use a lot of cocoa butter. And as the saying goes, black don't crack when it gets older. Could be DNA, or it could be that cocoa butter we put in our skin. I'm thinking it's a little both. So it's the same as our boots and shoes. We keep it conditioned because this leather is a skin, even though it's been tanned and all that. It is a skin. You just keep it conditioned and let the skin, let the leather do what it does. Now, if you're one of those ones that you like to go out and kick dog shit, walk through a slough with the hogs, man, have at it. I'm not that dude. And if I do that, I got shoes and boots and clothes for that. I'm going to go over this part one little time here. I got shoes and clothes for that. But these are, I just opened them. I just did an unboxing. I put them on. I walked around, and buddy, they felt good. But I'm not going to talk about that a lot right now because I'm going to talk about it on another little video that I'm going to do. So yeah, man, my dad, he would take the shoe, man, he'd take his boot off, he stretch it all out, all like that, you know, that they were more broken in than these. And man, he had that thing all just ripped out and he would just polish it, man. And I would see him do that. And I was always like, man, I hope one day I can pay somebody to do it. Because as a kid, man, I just didn't want to do it. But now, being a grown man, I understand. It's just a little getaway. It's a little piece with my cigar. Yeah, I'm a cigar guy. So if anybody wants to send me cigars, please do. I'm an Oliva guy. I really like Oliva. Cameroons are real nice too. Master blends, their Series G Cameroons, the Churchill, the box press ones. You get a lot of smoke. These are okay. I like these as well. And the reserves are good. But I'm an Oliva guy. Hook your boy up. So anyway, I'm gonna let these dry, and then I'll buff them, and then I'll talk about them more. But yeah, this is what I use, man. This Saphir right here. It's good stuff. I'm always baffled why people get a $300 shoe or whatever that you pay for them, and even if it's $5 and you don't want to take care of them. I mean, if you want top grain leather, full grain leather, whatever kind of leather it is, you still want to take care of it, even if it's Chrome XL, Horine, whatever. You still want to take care of it. You want to clean them. You want to, keep them conditioned right. So that's what I do. Like I said, these is brand new, right out of the box. I tried them on, and I said, okay, I like them. I'm gonna keep them. As you can see, look at the bottom. No scuff, no nothing. I said I'm gonna keep them. So I know one thing my dad used to do. He used to take a high grit sandpaper on the leather shoe, and he would just scuff him right here so you wouldn't slide right out the box. Um, I still do it on some shoes, not a lot of them, but that's what I do. All right. Have a good one.